This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 25th of April. I'm James Spann. Looks like a nice, calm, warm pattern setting up for the next 5 to 7 days. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Chehaw State Park, Alabama's highest mountain, south of Anniston, looking down the spine of the Talladega Mountains. A bright, sunny April afternoon. Temperatures about where they should be for this time of the year. That's the Jasper Skycam. A few scattered mid-level clouds, but the sky's still mostly sunny and way down south. Wow, look at all that action on the beach down there. Looks like they're setting up volleyball nets or something. Have to check out what's happening there. Whatever it is, the weather looks great. Lots of sunshine down there. If you're beach-bound for a while, have sunny days, fair nights, and yeah, you might see a shower or two on radar somewhere along the way, but no organized rain expected for the next 7 days down there. Temperatures up this way, upper 70s and low 80s. At 2 o'clock, the warm spot, the Shoals, Muscle Shoals with 84. Tuscaloosa, 82, 79 for Birmingham and Anniston. And we'll see highs mostly in the low and mid-80s here each day for the next 5 to 7 days. And around the nation, man, it's hot out there in West Texas. I know there's some spots out there in the triple digits this afternoon. 90s surging up into Nebraska. And the cold air kind of being scoured out, which is what you expect here in late April. So we'll see warmer days ahead. There's a water vapor satellite view, the amplitude beginning to break down of the westerlies. And again, kind of a flat ridge will be building here across the deep south, keeping us in a benign pattern. Actually, there's some rain not too far away today. That's the radar coming out of Nashville. Rain to the east and west of the city of Nashville, but like recent days, most of that will fizzle out before reaching us. Severe weather potential for the rest of today and tonight. Got the standard slight risk of severe weather for cities like Louisville and Indianapolis, the far southern suburbs of Chicago. But, of course, no problems here. And tomorrow, a slight risk over the western high plains. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. Anything that forms should be over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. Most of the state dry. The better rains will stay north. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Light northwest flow aloft here. Strong vortex digging down into the southwestern states. That's going to produce kind of a rainy day for Arizona tomorrow. And around here, yeah, it's green, but, there's no really dynamic support. There might be a shower somewhere on radar tomorrow, but not very many. Highs low 80s, the sky partly sunny. Friday, same deal. If we see a shower, it's going to be up around the Tennessee border. Deep surface low develops over western Kansas. That boundary north of us will be lifting north as a warm front. Should be a pretty warm day, highs in the mid-80s. And again, partly sunny. And understand with the dew points coming up, we'll probably see some late night and early morning stratus both Thursday and Friday morning, and maybe over the weekend as well. There's Saturday. Looks warm and dry. Highs in the mid-80s. The GFS is printing 85. And Sunday. Again, just a weak boundary north of us like we've seen in recent days, and there might be a shower somewhere over North Alabama, but not many. Highs low to mid-80s. Monday of next week, we still got the ridge in place here. The core of the westerlies are north of here, and that front just kind of dissipates, and you might see a shower on radar like we've talked about, but obviously no big deal. Highs stay in the 80s. Tuesday, temperatures cool down ever so slightly. A little deeper slug of moisture just west of here. And a week from today, kind of a warm, humid pattern. Enough moisture for isolated showers and nothing beyond that. The high would be around 80 if that's right, based on those thickness values. We'll check the end of the forecast, May 11th. Little upper shortwave north of us, but again, nothing down here. No sign of any severe weather opportunities for the next 15 days. How about that for a nice, calm tornado season? That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, or if you don't, check out ABC 3340 News on TV or the live stream at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.